For a recent pressure vessel project requiring corrosion-resistant internal lining, Ergil dedicated a controlled production area inside its manufacturing facility. This allowed rubber lining and FRP-GRP lining operations to be carried out within the same factory environment where the vessels were manufactured, prepared, inspected, and completed. The process started with welded fabrication in our pressure vessel workshop, followed by abrasive blasting to SA21/2 surface preparation quality. After surface preparation, the vessels went through the required primer and bonding preparation stages before rubber application. Rubber sheets were measured, cut, and prepared according to the internal vessel surface geometry, then carefully applied to the inner surfaces of the pressure vessels. Following the rubber lining application, the lined vessels were vulcanized using steam under controlled temperature and pressure conditions. In parallel, FRP-GRP lining operations were also carried out for the required internal surfaces, creating a complete corrosion protection solution for the process equipment. After lining completion, the internal components were assembled, the external painting process was finalized, and the equipment was prepared for loading and shipment. This project demonstrates Ergil's ability to coordinate specialized lining operations, pressure vessel manufacturing, surface preparation, assembly, painting, inspection, and shipment from a single manufacturing location. By managing the process under one roof, Ergil provides better control over quality, schedule, documentation, and final equipment readiness.